What is framing in a building, and why is it so essential for engineers and builders alike? Framing is a fundamental aspect of construction that often goes unnoticed but is crucial for the stability and integrity of any structure. It serves as the backbone of a building, providing the necessary support to hold everything together. But what exactly does framing entail, and why is it so important for engineers? Comment below if you think you know. Hey DIY enthusiasts, whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, understanding framing can make a huge difference in your projects. Today, I'm diving into the nuts and bolts of framing and building construction. We'll explore its significance, the materials used, and the step-by-step process involved. Framing is like the skeleton of a building. Just as our bones give our bodies shape and support, framing does the same for buildings. It's the structure that gives a building its shape and support. Without it, your walls, floors, and roofs wouldn't have anything to hold them up. Imagine trying to build a house without a frame. It would be like trying to build a sandcastle without any sand. The frame is what holds everything together, ensuring stability and durability. So why is framing so crucial? Well, think about it like this. If you've ever built a piece of furniture or even a model airplane, you know that without a solid framework, everything falls apart. The same principle applies to buildings, just on a much larger scale. The same principle applies to buildings, just on a much larger scale. Framing ensures that every part of a building is properly aligned and securely fastened. Framing ensures that every part of a building is properly aligned and securely fastened. This alignment is critical for the overall stability and safety of the structure. Now let's talk a bit about the materials. Most frames are made from wood, steel, or concrete. Each material has its own set of advantages and is chosen based on the specific needs of the project. Wood is pretty common because it's versatile and relatively easy to work with. It's often used in residential construction due to its availability and cost-effectiveness. Steel and concrete, on the other hand, are used for larger buildings where extra strength is needed. These materials are often found in commercial and industrial construction. Each material has its own advantages and drawbacks, so engineers must choose wisely based on the project requirements. For instance, wood is susceptible to termites and rot, while steel can rust if not properly treated. The process of framing begins with the floor. Floor joists are laid out to create a strong base. This base is crucial as it supports the entire structure above it. Next, the walls go up, with studs placed evenly to support the wall sheathing and any loads above. This step requires precision to ensure that the walls are straight and sturdy. Finally, the roof is framed, completing the basic structure. The roof frame must be strong enough to support the roofing material and withstand environmental factors like wind and snow. Precision is key here. Even a small mistake can lead to big problems down the line. Engineers use detailed plans and blueprints to guide the framing process. They calculate loads, stresses, and material strengths to ensure the frame can handle everything from heavy snow loads to high winds. This meticulous planning is what makes framing both a science and an art. Engineers use detailed plans and blueprints to guide the framing process. They calculate loads, stresses, and material strengths to ensure the frame can handle everything from heavy snow loads to high winds. This is why framing isn't just about nailing pieces of wood together. It's a science and an art. The precision and planning involved are what make a building safe and durable. So next time you look at a building, remember that the invisible frame is doing a lot of heavy lifting. It's the unsung hero of construction, providing the necessary support and stability. And if you're tackling a DIY project, take a leaf out of the engineer's book and plan your frame carefully. Proper planning and execution can make all the difference in the success of your project. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more content like this. Your engagement helps us bring you more valuable information and tips. And don't forget to share your thoughts on framing in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about your experiences and insights. Until next time, happy building. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the importance of framing can make all the difference in your construction projects. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more content like this. Your engagement helps us bring you more valuable information and tips. And don't forget to share your thoughts on framing in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about your experiences and insights. Until next time, happy building. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the importance of framing can make all the difference in your construction projects.